Hey guys, Steve Zonardo here with Remax West Zonardo Associates. Welcome to our monthly videos. This is going to be a follow-up with the Florida real estate, because the last time we reported on this video, we were talking about how easy it was to buy into Florida. It's going to be like a breeze because there's a ton of inventory. We got schooled a little bit with that as we were going through the process, and it wasn't the case. Actually, inventory was short, or there was a lot of inventory, but everything was contingent and pending by the time you got an opportunity to purchase the property. As for resale, and then for new construction, we were going into facing bidding wars right through every week, and what we were seeing was what the prices were just increasing in value. We started off, we were looking at a larger model, like a 2,300 square foot, 3-car garage, 4-bedroom, 2-bath model. Wasn't crazy about the layout, but ultimately it's more bang for the buck, let's say. But this property was starting at, I believe, $390 when we first started, which was right at the top of our budget. And then ultimately, by the second week, we couldn't purchase this property more because it was out of the budget. So then we went to a smaller model, a 3+1-bedroom, 3-bath, about 2,000 square feet. And again, this model started getting out of reach too, because we started bidding on it weekly and it started increasing in value. And specifically, some of them didn't have really nice lots. They're backed onto this white vinyl fence that subdivides the area, and then between, they kind of built up like a sort of like a dune with a little bit of for water flow and stuff like that for drainage. So you would have a little bit of, let's say, wetness in the backyard, which you don't really want, you know, obviously in that humid, hot weather because of the mosquitoes naturally. But ultimately, it's a gated community, so they do smoke the mosquitoes, but still, you really don't want that in your backyard. So that one we bid on just to kind of see if we were going to get it. They were asking $374, we bid $380, and we didn't get it naturally. It was a little low, and that sold over $400,000. So the week after, we had to lower our standards again, and we went for a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,850 square feet, but a really nice layout. Probably the first layout that I really liked going into it. Just obviously, if you're going to spend $400,000, you want to get the best bang for the buck. But we ended up securing this property, and they were asking $358,000 US, and then we offered them $380,000, which is not a huge difference compared to what we're experiencing here in Toronto. But all the same, these are new construction in Florida, where we should have had no offers at all on the properties and had like an easy go of buying these specific properties. So it was 8 offers, and we took the bid, and now it's actually. But get this, look at the construction process in Florida. This is what amazes me, and I think that we're going to go down hopefully very shortly and do some scouting. So we did the deal on Tuesday, sent them a deposit, and then Wednesday sent them the remaining money. I transferred the money. A day later, we transferred all the money that they need to start the project. By the Thursday, Friday, the same week, they've already poured the slab, and this has probably been 2 weeks now. I would imagine there's going to be the wall structures already up because they use concrete block because of the, obviously it's a hurricane-proof house. As of now too, we're starting to check in with what we can do, because I'm thinking of working both markets with Florida and also the Toronto. See, going from there. Right now we're in the talks with immigration lawyers, and going to see hopefully in the next 3 to 6 months we can get maybe an immigration status, or at least a visa to go work there, and we're going to work both markets, and I think we'll have both divisions going. We're going to, hopefully, the city of Allison is going to provide final steps there on our building lots. We'd like to build one of those this year. I might sell one of those lots and move that money to Florida and see if we can buy some land there and start building simultaneous, which would be quite cool. So yeah, a lot of stuff going down in the pipe for the future, and we'll definitely keep you guys posted. Also, great opportunities going forward for clients and new investors that want to get into the market. We're going to hopefully open up some sort of portal where we can, you know, basically invest money there easily. And that's it. And it's awesome because we're going to have real estate in both countries, because currently right now, obviously, country looks a little bit unstable with all these new emergency acts and things that really take away all our freedoms. It's a little bit scary because now we're actually seeing the government's hand. It's like playing poker and seeing the hand that can be played at any time, which is quite scary. So I think it's important right now to be 1 foot in, 1 foot out going forward. But we'll definitely keep you posted on that too. Have a great day, guys. If you have any questions, always reach out. And if you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Or leave a comment. Or if you have a question, we can always take it up on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.